Hello all nighters, this is Gordon Safi. Now we are going to construct a DFA for the string starting with 1 1. In the previous lectures, we constructed a DFA for the strings which end with a specific digit. In this video, we are going to deal with the strings which start with a specific digit. It is quite simple compared to the strings which end with a specific digit. Simply, the input alphabets are same 0 and 1, and the strings include the most basic string is 1 1. And after 1 1 it can be anything. It should basically start with 1 1. Next it can be followed by any combination of 0 and 1. It can be 1 0 1 1, combination of zeros and ones. So these are the strings which are accepted by this DFA. Now let us construct the skeletal version of the most basic string, that is 1 1. On 1 it will go to the next state. On 1 it will go to the further final state because it accepts 1 1. Now, after 1 1, any combination of 0 and 1, it should be in the final state itself, because see, consider 1 1 0, 1 1 0 or 1 1 1, because the string should start with 1 1 and the next it doesn't really matter, right? So we loop it, self loop it for any for 0 and 1, because it should start with 1 1. The next it can be 0 1, any combination. We'll just link it to the final state itself, because it's already accepting the string. It should accept the string because we have only one condition, that is it should start with 1 1. Next, now for DFA we know that we should have a transition on every input alphabet at every step. We don't have a transition for q naught on 0, right? So now q naught on 0, if we q naught on 0, if we get 0 on q naught, that means the first alphabet which we get is 0, which is contradiction to this statement. Starts with 1 1, but because it should start with only 1. So q naught on 0 will assign a special state, that is dead state. Dead state is a part where we symbolically represent halting. Next, simply q1 or 0 also the same, because q1 on 0 means 1 followed by 0, but in our language we should get only 1 followed by 1 itself. So 1 on 0 also it should not go to the final state. And for DFA we have to assign every state with every alphabet, right? So for QD we will loop the 0 and 1, because once it reaches to dead state it's useless. It should not reach to final state at any case. So this is the final DFA for the language of strings starting with 1 1. Thank you.